by committees, similar bodies as recommended in this report, including the Salaries and Remuneration Commission. Those that are administrative will be implemented immediately. In this regard, I am directing the relevant organs of government to commence implementation of the various recommendations of the task force, beginning with the following. Number one, alignment of the terms and conditions of service of the National Police Service, Kenya Prison Service, and the National Youth Service with other security agencies. We now confirm that these three services are now moved to the security sector. Review the pay, living conditions, medical cover, housing, and other aspects of welfare for police of the service, and simply, let me repeat that, review the pay, living conditions, medical cover, housing, and other aspects of welfare for members of the services, and simply to do the right thing for these officers. I have seen the recommendation that has been made by the task force to enhance the salaries of our policemen, our National Youth Service, and our prison service by 40% over the next 3 years. I think it is a well-considered recommendation. We will now await the workings of the Salaries and Remuneration Commission to make the necessary adjustments so that we can implement these